The bent over row with the steel mace does the same purpose as a conventional dumbbell barbell conventional row, but there are some subtle tweaks you can make with a mace to make this a little bit more interesting of an exercise. So, going through the basic setups of any bent over row, grip about shoulder width, knees about hip width to shoulder width as well, whatever your preference is, slightly soft bent knees, and push the hips to the back of the room or push them as far back as you can. You then end up with that nice neutral spine position, which is then safe to row. We're not rounded over. So same with the mace, you're going to take your grip. However, one hand is going to be on the tail of the mace, and then your other hand is going to be somewhere choked to the level of torque you want. So we'll start with the widest grip position, your soft knees, hips back, and what we want to do is pull the mace to our belly button, so it travels along the thighs to keep going. If you find your mace goes out forward, that's going to be pressure on the back, so go from toes or shins to belly button and thighs, toes and shins, belly button and thighs. To make this a little bit more mace specific, you can adjust your level of choke. So the further your lead hand comes away from the mace head, the more directional torque you're going to get. So the mace is going to be trying to twist you, and you can combat that. Of course, a heavier mace will apply more torque, but it also does, it kind of becomes a unilateral exercise. We want to pull, because most of the weight is now going through the lead arm. Then you want to repeat that on the same side with the other arm. And what you can do if you really want to is add in a twist. So we row and then twist up to really enhance that oblique and core development that the mace brings to the bent over row.